the doors, actually the whole frame is made from a 16 gauge steel. I'm trying to get a close up on the steel. There you go. So no, it's not meant to be as thick and sturdy as like your $3,000-$4,000 safes. This is really just meant to slow people down. It'll keep your kids out, and average person not going to be able to just break in this with their hands. You're going to need a tool or some type of power tool to get into it. 16 gauge ain't nothing to sneeze at. Oh, you can probably see about right here how thick the metal is. You're not going to bend this with your hands, but it's also built with the inlays so that it's pry resistant. So if you try to get a crowbar in there or something. Other safety features it has, you see it's got the thick steel deadbolts in it. It has 3 going down the door, and then 2 more on the inside, 2 more longer, so 5 bolts to bolt lock it. So yeah, it's definitely definitely worthy of protecting your goods. We got 2 little shelves. So here's a shelf at the top, another shelf down here at the bottom. I just got a couple Glock mags in mine. It comes with you can hear in this pouch here. It comes with the bolts to mount it down. If you know exactly you don't plan on moving it. I haven't mounted mine down because I like to rearrange things a bit. But it also has a built-in LED light. Now you probably can't see it, but in here, there we go, right there, is a built-in LED light it's not even that bright. That's why I put this light inside of it, but it's better than no light at all. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you, but the screen, let me close the door. Yeah, the screen has the LCD. So yeah, it'll tell you, what's going on. And then plus it has a built-in alarm system. So if you try the wrong fingerprint too many times, let me see. I don't know. I did that fingerprint. Let me try, what finger didn't I do? Let's see. Yeah, see, fail. There's another one. I think this one will start the alarm. There we go. And then there it is. Yeah, built-in alarm. That's dope. Alright, let me get you zoom out a bit. Alright, so this is about 57 inches tall. I think it's 14 inches wide and 12 inches deep, or almost. Bigger your dimensions, so you can figure out exactly what all you can fit inside of yours. I think the only con I can think of is this exposed keyhole. Now again, if somebody was to break in your house, this is perfect to fit in a closet or something. If someone wants to break in your house, they're gonna need to know how to pick a lock and have the lock picking tools just right there up front. So I wish they could have came up with a way to hide that, but either way, it's all good. Oh, I didn't even show you. We have the shelf down here at the bottom. So it comes with 2 separate sets of keys. You got a key for this shelf and then the key for the big lock down at the top. So down here, you can keep ammo, more guns. I just got, little paperwork, stash of cash down there. I should keep some my tax stamps down there. This is the 6 long gun safe by BlackSmith with the bottom drawer. You also can see the new one has the little decorative rivets they put in it. Alright, I rock with it. It comes with the fingerprint scanner. You can see here. Boom. It opens in 1/10 of a second. It can hold up to 30 different fingerprints, so you, your spouse, or everybody in your family pretty much can load their fingerprints in it. It also has 4 different ways to open the safe. So obviously you just saw the fingerprint scanner. You can put in the PIN code. It has a backup keyhole here, and in case the batteries die for the PIN and fingerprint scanner, underneath here there's a Type-C USB. I think it's underneath here or somewhere on here. There's a Type-C USB slot so that you can charge it, emergency charge it to get it open. This says it's a 6 long gun, but let me get her open. Alright, I was able to get 5. I don't know. That you never can fit as many as they say you're gonna fit, but I got 5 long ones in here. It also comes with 2 handgun pouches on the door, so you can fit 2 handguns on there. I love that the whole thing is lined with like the carpet, because I got a whole bunch of patches I need to decorate this thing with. So it's lined all the way with the carpet. It also has this shelf up here at the top. Obviously you can put whatever you want.